Pag, pag gumagano-ganon yung cellphone ko, pwede na video na. Okay, hello guys! Welcome back to my video, and today I'm playing with my sister. Ha? Sabi ng sister ko, ha? Ate, say something.
Hello guys.
Okay, ayun lang sinabi niya. So, today we're playing with my sister, and if you see, I got cons. First try, but I really wanted to get the water gun, because that's so rare.
Ay, sheriff na ako.
Kasi pag
Ay, tulaan mo. Sheriff ako, Arnold.
I don't trust you actually.
May nakalagay na ba po na?
I don't trust you. Oh, you're the sheriff. Okay. Okay, bougie. Kailangan ko mag-shift lock.
Shift lang.
Yeah. Ate, oh, ate, I could kill you. Joke lang. I'm not a murderer. Ate, pwedeng dun ka para hindi natin maalam anong makukuha natin. Kasi cheating kapag nandito ka lang, ingat ako yung pupunta dito.
Okay.
At bawal kasi dating bawal mag-hisap sa road, ah. Pwede mag-hisap pag natin. You're not using me as bait. Ito sinafollow. Hala, yung kulay black man, yung all black. We're not team. We're not. Ate, say that thing. Dapat mo inaano sa akin. Gusto mo
Wait lang daw.
tap. Ginagawa mo yun on purpose.
Yeah, stop!
This is my phone! And I don't care if that's your phone. Ate, hi. Ate, hi. Ate, hi. Wow. Yay. Diba, pagkakasupunta ng punta dito.
May laking na girl dito.
Huwag kasi
Nandiyan ka daw pala. Nandito ka daw pala.
Hi, ate. We just need to watch a movie. We just need to watch a movie. I feel like it's this AFK girl.
Birthday nga pala na Acer.
Hindi niya na alam. Sinabi ni Yuki. Are you kidding mo yung black man again?
Nakita ko.
How is he that lucky?
Gano po ka
Bro, stay away from him.
Sabihin mo na saan siya,
Ate,
please.
pupunta siya sa secret room. Wait lang. Ay, nasa kitchen. Ay, may pinatay na. Ate, kinakamp yung Kinakamp yung kitchen. Yung kitchen. Oo. Doon lang siya. Tapos kung may pumupunta doon, babarilin niya. Ay, papatayin niya. Ate. Hala, wala na siya doon. Pero, nandito siya, oh. Okay. Pinatay niya yung sheriff. Okay, good. In the kitchen. What you looking for?
Good games. Hala, batagtag.
What you looking for? We got what you looking for. What you looking for? We got what you looking for. Okay. At hindi pa din natin nakukuha yung resort map, yung parang mayroong mga swimming pool at spa. Kasi alam ko may secret place dun eh. What you looking for? We got what you looking for. Dough pizza 342. So, oh yeah. Yeah, nagdalan silang kami ng dalawa. What you looking for?
Innocent.
Diba, Huwag ka kasi puro kumuha ng cellphone ko. Cheater ka, kaya alam mo kung murderer ako eh.
Alam ko talaga, makita tayo.
Hindi kita ipapa-allowed. So stop. Okay, I'm gonna ask you kindly to stop that, okay? Okay. Okay, bully. Boom. Yeah.
I think yung bird ka palapit.
Okay. Think mo siya yung bird. Baka gusto niya lang mag-dance. Hala. Press natin to. Okay. Then, manahin ka. Tulog ka po. Tulog ka po. Who is my...
Para yung 17.
Ako yung 12 at 16. What to look for? We got what to look for. What to look for? We got what to look for. What to look for? We got what to look for. What to look for? What to look for?
Langis na pala. Ito, hindi ko naman ito binutuloy.
Ha? What to look for? We got what to look for. What to look for? We got what to look for. What to look for? What to look for? Hello everybody. Welcome. Ate, gawin natin yung hack. Yung ano?
Wala lang.
Ate, anong nakuha mo?
Innocent.
Patingin?
Bawal.
Okay, gagawin ko yung hack.
Nauna na ako.
Ano ulit yung gagawin?
Dito. Ilang minutes nga dito? 5 or 10?
Please, yung ano,
Kasi magre-reset pa daw eh.
kasi kailangan daw pumunta dyan 3 times tapos ano eh.
3 times.
Oo, sabi nila.
Tapos magre-reset pa. Reset na ako. Reset ako dito. Tapos nag-reset ako. Namatay ako eh.
Ate, baka wrong yung inaano mo. Okay, ako naman. Ay, nako. Wala ka dyan? Matulog. Kailangan ko na lang mag-wait. Nag-hot tub lang ako. Ate. Okay, ako naman.
Ano ka?
Okay, magre-reset na ako.
Namatay ka?
Wait lang. Hindi ko pa alam. Hala ate, walang magagawa. Nagsuspectate na ako. Ano ata yun, mga hacks ay mga troll. So guys, don't do it because you will waste one of your life in MM2. That's just sad. Parang busog na lang no? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ay, yung lalaking yun, paano siya hindi namamatay? Sa ano ko, sa knife ko, diba ate? Ano ba yung gagawin natin? Confused ako eh. Factory.
Ano sabi niya? Wala akong pakti kung report na daw natin siya. Basahin ko kasi sinabi niya. Puro siya bad words. Wala daw siya pake kung i-report siya.
Anong pangalan niya?
Amy Rose. Ayun o.
Amero.
Guys, report daw niya. Wala daw siya pake. Resent.
meron. Next chat. Saying bad words in... Ate, hindi ko alam paano isabi. Lagay ko nga lang signet. Okay. Ba't ka na dyan?
Sabi niya, guys, report niyo ako please.
Di gusto nyo ma-report.
Oo, gusto niya. Wala na lang sa gun. Wala na, una siya.
Hindi mo nakuha yung gun?
Hindi.
Ate, gusto mo yung gun? Sige, bigay ko sa'yo.
Ay, sige. Thank you.
Okay.
Hindi, wag mo ako patayin.
Ito yung, diba, nagpatay sa'yo, yung...
O yan, patay mo yan.
Ayan, deserve.
Can you please layo?
Layo.
Hindi kita muna papatayin.
Ate, ikaw yung last one dito. At ako din yung last one. So, let's...
1v1.
Yeah.
May tao pa dito yung black guy.
Anong black guy?
Ayun o, yung black guy.
Okay. Okay. Now, it's time to... Wait lang! Hindi pa ako ready. Okay. 1v1. Ginagaya ko na to eh. Oh my God.
Where are you, girl? Stop jumping.
Boom! I will...
Ba't kasi may nag-add sa akin? Na-distract tuloy ako.
Ay, may nag-add din sa akin. Anong pangalan?
Ito si Aliyah, yung...
I've seen. What you looking for? We got what you looking for. What you looking for? We got what you looking for. Yung mga iba, yung murderer, yung nangkakampi yung murderer, sila din yung murderer, no?
Mansion to.
Ate, imagine may nag-post ng ganito. Okay, ako yung first mag-ano. Welcome to MM2. There's nothing online there. Show stuff. Cringy.
Yeah, alam ko, sheriff ka.
Ano? Murder ka?
No, innocent.
Ate, sabihin mo ano ka, sabihin mo. Ay,
I'm murd.
ikaw yung murd. Ate,
Hindi
wala.
mo na kita
Hindi
papatayin.
na tayo magti-team out. Team up.
Hindi na nga kita pinapatay.
Ate, hindi na tayo magti-team up. It's now or never.
Can we 1v1?
Sure. Okay, nag-shoot ako randomly.
Randomly?
Yeah. Oh. Get away from me. Ate, papatayin ko yung bacon. Joke lang.
Ano yung bacon?
Ate, stay away.
Yan, QB, bab.
I'm not...
QB, please lumayo ka. Pagtago ka muna.
At nasakit ko na ako. I mean, obvious.
Alam ko, be. Nahanap ko yung mga tao.
Ate, yung paano hindi nakita yung bacon na dun?
QB,
Oh,
layo
oh my
ka
God,
dyan.
oh my God,
Lalapit
oh my
ako
God.
yung bacon.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Layo ka
Oh my,
dyan.
oh my God, oh my God. Ate, wag mo kasi ako.
Yun,
Bye.
deserve. May natira pa yung red girl.
Red boy. Boy yun, te.
Ay,
Hindi
boy
yung
ba
girl. Ate,
Let's 1v1.
let's 1v1. Oh, I see you. I see you.
Ay, ba't natin ko nag-stop? Nag-stop ako. Lagi na lang ito panalo.
I'm just that girl. I want to you 2 times. Ate, tignan ko nga yung above your head. Kasi, sheriff nanalo eh. Ay, wala. What you looking for? We got what you looking for. What you looking... I want the nurse series. Ate, vote mo nurse. Ate, vote mo nurse. Oh, I got out counted.
Ayun na, oh.
Apple. Hindi ko ng apple. Please. And what the... Oh. please? Can I have your apple? Yes,
Yes, you can have
of course. Of course. Of course, Pwede mo din i-gift to kay Acer. Pwede siya kumain ng apple, Kasi malambot naman. Favorite ko yung apple pag ganito lang sila, Wonder who's the bird. Okay,
Cover kami.
Couple kami. Ew. Nandito. Okay, that was all for
Pero
today.
yung hair hindi.
I hope you guys enjoy and like and subscribe for more. Bye, guys!